What is up, you guys? Nope. Nothing's wrong with the format, nothing's wrong in the export quality. The video is the video is as it is supposed to be. It's a vertical vlog. Nothing about this is wrong. What is also not wrong is we're actually moving out of this apartment. We're going into a bigger, much better apartment. Lots of memories in this place. Just a tiny bit emotional. What is up, people? This is my first time trying a vertical vlog, so let's see how that goes. Right now we're actually heading on to our new house. This is our old building. We will be going to a new building and I'll be showing you guys what our new apartment looks like. Okay, so the thing is, right now in the apartment that we stay in, that is a 2 BHK flat. That place is comfortable for my dad himself, but next year, since I'll be moving in, we need a bigger place. So that's why we look for this apartment. I'll be showing you what it looks like now. It looks horrible. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, so this is the apartment over here. So the reason we're moving into this place because this is the 3 BHK flat. This is the hall room over here. This is the balcony. So, oh shit, it's tight.
That's what she said. Or he said.
This is the balcony, small little balcony, compact. I think this is big enough. That's the entrance over there. Now the thing is, you see this wall over here separates the main room from the kitchen and then the bedroom. So what we will do is we will break this wall from here, make a partition, and I think that would be great for the entire space. There's no electricity. Good thing I bought my Canon because the low light is good. This is the washroom. See the condition of the walls right now. Even in the main hall room, the walls just look filthy. This is going to be the main wall where we will put like the TV and all whatnot. Here will be the couch. Let's move on to the bedrooms because I need to show those to you. Yesterday we went and we fixed up all the curtains and everything, so that's done. So this is the kitchen over here and here's the hallway to 3 bedrooms. I'll show them. They're actually quite good enough. This is the kitchen's condition. Have a look. I mean, it looks very clean in the video, but I can't tell you how disgusting it is over here. The smell and also how it looks. Like, dude, this place was filthy. We'll change this entire thing on the top. So all these false ceiling that you're seeing over here, we'll change that. We'll put a brand new stuff on top of it. These cabinets, I think we will change them or they'll just get replaced. Like, we won't do it. The building will do the maintenance, of course. This is the first bedroom. So, I mean, pretty small, pretty compact. This is going to be the guest room because somewhat the smallest out of them all, and also like the one with the least attractive view, let's just say that. So we're going to keep this as the guest room. We'll remove the curtains, of course. This is the room. A little bit less filthy, although you have some work on the walls and stuff like that, so that's there. Let's move on. So right in front of the first bedroom is another washroom over here. This will probably be my washroom because mine isn't a master bedroom. That's the washroom over there. The bathtubs are a bit faulty, so we'll have to fix that up. But other than that, then the washroom will be cleaned. I think the tiles will be changed. The main problem that you see are these parts over here. They're completely rotten away, so we have to change those up. My bad. I keep on saying we, but actually it's the apartment people, the management who will change them up, not us. Whatever work is left after they're done with their work, we'll take it over and we'll do the entire work. Heading now to the master bedroom. Say hi to the kitty. And this is the master bedroom over here. This is going to be my parents' room because this is the biggest out of all. This is a pretty big place actually. We'll remove the curtains as well from there. And I think this color would actually go great because my plan with the entire colorway of the house, starting from the furniture, the entire colorway, everything is going to be super clean as much as I can because I have Indian parents. So I have people to convince. Anyway, this is the master bedroom washroom. Now obviously the roof are now will be mended. We have to fix the tube lines and we have a fan over here. Central AC is already there. We fix it up because the controller is completely broken. We'll have to fix it up. And now the main room, which is my bedroom, because I freaking love this. We have 2 windows. So we have one window over here, another window over there. And this is special because in this building, this is the last floor level 9 in which you have this. So like basically every floor after this has like a window pane, but it's not, there's no window, it's just basically wall. So I'm lucky enough to have this. Also, sorry for the echo. The echo will just be happening. I can't control it because the rooms are freaking empty. So right now it's just going to be very impossible to describe you what the room will look like because I'm running out of battery right now. I can't talk anymore. So see you guys once the house is complete. See ya. Bye. So what is up folks, welcome back. Right now I'm in my dad's office right now. All the shifting and all is being done upstairs. I'm here with all my stuff over here and over here, the camera items which have to be a bit safe. And I'll show you how the room has turned out to be with just the paint. The furniture is yet to come, so before that happens, let me just go and show you the rooms.
Flashback.
This is the condition of our house right now. Last day over here. What's up? Hello mom.
End of flashback.
So this is how my room has turned out to be. This is the room as of now, completely empty. Behind me will be the place where the desk will be for the workstation. Over here will be the bed, right over here. And we have all the furniture over there. So let's see how this turns out to be. So you see the curtains in this room, you see the curtains in this room, and then you see the curtains in this room. So the curtains in the guest room are supposed to go in my mom and dad's room, and the curtains in my room are supposed to go in the guest room. And the curtains in my mom and dad's room is supposed to come in my room. This is the big confusion that's been caused, but hopefully we get this done as soon as possible. So if you see this wall in the background, this is like a dirt magnet. I'll show you how. See that spot over here? Every small mark shows up vibrantly. What we're planning to do is we'll mix up 2 or 3 colors over here and we'll paint the middle row. So this is a bit silky and stuff. We'll put this color on the wall and also in the front portion where we have the dinner and stuff. So basically right now we're trying to experiment with the colors a lot, as you guys can see. Also, this is my absolute favorite spot in the house. I know this will not look that great at night, or maybe it will because of the view is sick. So here it is. Right now it's around 10 AM in the morning. I think the furniture people will be coming in right about now. Let's wait and see what happens, and I hope you guys stick with the entire journey. So see you guys in around 12 hours or 13 hours because it'll take the entire day to finish this up. See you guys. Bye.
Oh yes!
What is up guys? So right now it's around 10 PM right now. House is somehow a bit finished with the furnishing. This is genuinely going to be my first time seeing the house all furnished up. So the reaction you'll be getting from my end is as genuine as it can be. So let's go and see the house. Do I have the key? Yes, I have the key. Okay. The house is still not finished. We still have a lot of remaining stuff, but it looks great. I probably might have to wake up tomorrow and give you the entire review. Let's have a look at the kitchen first. Looks good. Looks much better than before. Definitely have to change the curtains and all, but it looks like a big mess right now. I'll be seeing my room for the Oh, okay, the space looks a lot smaller than I thought before. Apparently, this huge cupboard took up most of the space, but then, okay, this isn't as bad as I thought it would be, but yes. Now that I look into it, I feel like the curtains look great in this color. I felt like I had to change the color, but have a look yourself. Doesn't this look good itself? I don't know. I'm so confused. Anyway guys, I think there's a lot of work left to do yet, and today was a very tiring day, so I'll see you guys probably tomorrow morning. So see you guys tomorrow. My very first good morning YouTube from the very new house. Good morning guys. My sleep was absolutely beautiful. Now as I've said, I'll go and I'll brush up and I'll come back and talk to you guys later. What is the folks? Now it's been honestly a bit longer than just a small freshen up. Did a lot of things in the morning since breakfast. Changed up, had a shower, had lunch, and now I think I'll just show you a short tour of the entire house because honestly it's still not ready yet. But regardless, I don't want to extend the vlog for too long, so we'll just show you a short glimpse of how it looks like right now. Obviously a lot of things will be changed later on, so don't judge the house just by now. There's a lot of changes and improvements needed. Let's go have a look at the house. Alright, so starting off we have the hall room, the great big hall room over here. As you guys can see from the very beginning, we have broken down the wall. And this is the entire hall room over here. We have the sofas in, we have the TV and the entire rack over there, that's in. We still need to put more stuff over here. It's basically empty right now, we just have the sofa and all that stuff. So let me know down what do you think about the entire colorway, because obviously these don't match, but had to match somehow with this and the wall behind. Also with that wall and the sofa here. So let me know what you guys think and let's move on to the next room. So moving down from the hallway, we have the kitchen with my mom inside it. Ma, hi Gurdao.
Hi.
Yes. I think you guys had a better look at the kitchen last night than today because it's a complete mess. We have a lot of stuff over here, so now let's move on to the guest room. Oh, the cabinets over here, they're fixed. This is the okay. So here is the guest room. We didn't get time to fix the curtains, so the curtains will be as it is right now. Maybe we'll fix it up later because we have more important things to do right now. And before you say something, let me just tell you the furnitures are not bought according to the color. These are basically furniture from our old house, so we had to just keep it over here for the time being. Maybe later in future we might change them up, but for now, this is how it is. We have the washroom over here as well. I'm not going to show you that because basically we don't have much work in that, but you've seen it. But let's move on to the master bedroom. Also, the kitty is gone, so we clean that up. Ta-da! Wait. Yes, so this is the master bedroom over here. What do you call these? I have no idea what you call these. They're just simple racks. We have the big ass cupboard over there. Now somehow the color just came out a bit more yellow than I had initially thought it would be. But then that's no issue. It's cool. This over here is the top to bottom cupboard. That's there. We'll keep the curtains over here. This curtain was supposed to go in my room, but I don't think so we'll do that. We'll just keep it over here as I said before. And later if we need, we can change it. Let's move on to my room. So here is my bedroom over here. This is much better than what I'd expected, but maybe the space is a bit compromised. The cupboard is huge. I'm a 5'11" person. This has to be something around 7 or something, maybe. There's a massive cupboard over there and I need it. Ma is back again. Ma, hi bolo.
Hi.
So we have the bed over here. This is from my old house. Now these aren't ready-made. We had to make them customized from a furniture shop. That's the reason they are all matching in color. Now this bed is from my old house. That cupboard over there is also from my old house. Also, we have the massive desk starting from here till the very end. It's a very big desk, and we also have the recliner chair. My favorite chair, if you guys haven't seen my old vlogs. So basically, we have to do some cleaning. I have to put on clothes. She's helping me out with that. I mean, we have my favorite spot over there. Let me just show you. That's my favorite spot. This is my bed over here. We still have the hanging racks on the top over there. As usual, we'll keep some camera lenses or some plants or something like that. But here is the main place for the deal all seals. We'll have the main setup over here. I'll probably have another setup over there and cameras and all that, lenses and all in those drawers. And this is going to be the main hub from where I'll be working on in the future. So cheers to that. And because I don't have anything to show, we still have a lot of cleaning to do. So I thought maybe I'll just summarize the entire room in a short, descriptive vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Meanwhile, my mom is cleaning, so excuse her. But that is it for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stick to the channel and subscribe if you guys want to see more of my content, and I'll show you how the house turns out to be. So there'll be more updates and more stages to this house. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. A nice little crib, my sweet spot for the next 5, 6, 8 years. Anyway, I'll end the vlog right over here and I'll help my mom do the ending. So ma, bol ba peace out. Bole rum haath te
Peace out.
Peace out. 3, 2, 1. See you guys.
Peace out.
No, Polo, see you guys on the next one.
See you guys on the next one.
Ekdom.